In this video, I want to show you how you can have your clients and customers pay you month after month after month after month without you having to create anything new. Okay, if you're a coach, if you're a course creator, if you're an info marketer in any way, shape or form, what I'm going to share with you in this video is going to allow you to start stacking up recurring income without that constant demand of creating new offers or launching or writing a monthly newsletter, all those kind of things. All right, it's a pricing strategy that you can use that gives you the best of both worlds. One evergreen product, get paid every single month. Okay, got the computer behind me. We're going to jump in. I'm going to show you a live example, and I'm going to talk you through it all so that you can go and implement this in your business today. All right, before we jump into it, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to give this video a like if you get any value from it, and head over to jacobcarris.com. And you can see all the information about the 3 mastermind programs that we run. You can join our free private community, and you can join our email newsletter so that I can stay in touch with you via email about all the cool stuff that we've got going on. All right, with that all said, with that all out of the way, let's jump into the computer and get you stacking that recurring income. All right, folks, so let's dive right into it. I figured the easiest way to explain this to you was just to show you a real world example from within my own business. Okay, so the page that you're looking at here is one of our products. It's a course called the Fast Cash Rolodex. Okay, I created this back in 2001. And what it essentially is, as the name indicates, is a Rolodex or a vault of strategies and tactics that we've used across the journey to generate a quick influx of cash. Okay, this could be used if someone needs an influx or simply wants an influx. All right, it will generate you a bunch of buyers that you can then send to back-end programs. There's stuff in here that's done anywhere from a couple of grand in like an hour, right, all the way through to 160K in 30 days. Okay, you've got campaigns, you've got all templates and resources and stuff. Really, really cool product. I love it. It's one of my favorite things that we've ever made. Okay, and what we've done with this product is use a pricing strategy, as I alluded to off the top of the video, that allows us to stack recurring income when people buy this without us needing to create something new every month like you do in a typical monthly continuity program. Okay, if you want to check out this product, I'll put a link to it in the description and you can check it out in your own time. This is just a typical sales page that has, a bunch of information about it, myself, the things that I've done, blah, 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 blah. You can check this out in your own time. And then if someone sees this and decides that they want to buy, they click over to here, right? And it goes to a standard checkout form. Okay, so get immediate access to this, right, for a deposit of just $175. Okay, and then if we come down here, we've got 2 pricing options, right? We've got our standard one pay $1,000, but then we've also got what we call a customer financing option. Okay, $175 deposit today, like it said up the top, and 9 monthly payments of $175. Okay, and then we've got this note down here, right? Please read the important note below from Jacob if you're considering taking the customer financing option. Okay, if you get started with the Fast Cash Rolodex today for a small deposit of $175, then it's only 9 monthly payments of $175. Okay, you can easily make back the entire price of the program multiple times over by implementing just one of the strategies, but I'm putting you on the honor system, right? What we want to make really clear when we use this pricing strategy, right, is that this isn't it's not a 10-month program, right? It's not like a cancel anytime. It's self-paced. It's a course. It's just that people are being given 10 months to pay it off, right? Like any type of financing type arrangement, okay? So it's not like you can just cancel at any time like a continuity. It's you're agreeing to make these 10 payments in exchange for receiving this course. If people don't want to take that option, they've got the standard one pay, okay? But what this does is a couple of things for your business as the product creator, right? One, like I said, you're stacking income, recurring income, month after month with a static evergreen product. That's awesome. The other thing that it does is for people who perhaps aren't quite ready to say yes to a $1,000 investment, it makes it easier for them to say yes. Even if they have the financial means, they may just not be ready, right? They might say, I want to get started for a lower investment, and then I'll back myself into to make it back through the strategies and pay it off over the period. So essentially what it's doing is it's lowering the barrier to entry from $1,000 today to $175 today, which is just simply making it easier for people to say yes. Okay, so the benefits are twofold. 1, the recurring income. 2, you're making it easier for people to say yes. 3, right, and this is the really cool part, is you aren't really going to see a drop in the full pays because of how you price it, right? And there's obviously a relatively, significant premium on the recurring piece, and that's done strategically, right? The people that really want the financing can take it, right? But if someone's on the fence, right, and it's just a matter of dollars, they can also take this and save themselves $750, okay? So you're not going to see this offer cannibalizing your one-time payment, right? It really is the best of both worlds. You give an option that's easier for people to say yes to, and you stack up recurring income without you having to create something new every single month, okay? Another way that we play around with this is in our is when we sell with Google Docs, right? Which I've got other videos on my channel about that. How we do things there is we'll typically lead out with this, right? Because this is the easiest thing for people to say yes to, right? We'll typically lead out with that. And then after they've said yes to that, we'll present them with the option for a one pay, right? Awesome, really excited for you to get started. Would you be open to me telling you how I can save you $750, right? They say yes. Cool. We've got a one-time payment option of $1,000. Would you prefer to do that or just stick with the financing option? I'm easy either way, right? I should give credit where credit is due here. My mentor Travis has had a huge impact in us deploying this, and I think it's a really, really cool pricing strategy. He's just kept encouraging these different types of creative pricing strategies, and I think this is a really cool one that I wanted to share with you today. So that's how we use it on a sales page. We just present the two of them. How we use it when we're selling with a doc is we'll lead out with the one that's easier to say yes to, which is going to be the lower amount today, the financing option. And then after they've said yes to that, right, after they've already bought in, then we present the option to take a one-time payment, and people can elect if they want that or not. Either way, we get them enrolled and you're good to rock and roll. Okay, really nice when you start to see this recurring income stack up without you needing to create new stuff every month. Okay, absolutely best of both worlds. All right, I'm going to leave this one here for today. I'll leave you to go and implement that into your own business if that recurring income is something that you ultimately want to achieve. Like I said, head over to jacobkarras.com if you want help with this information marketing game or the affiliate marketing game. You'll see the masterminds that we've got there. You can join our private community, all that kind of good stuff. And go take this one and use it. I think you'll have a lot of fun with it. Appreciate you checking out the video. Talk to you soon.